Attention! Price doubles once the countdown hits 0. Who else wants to copy and paste away to $190 per day, without having to sell or create a single video? If you're able to copy, paste and follow instructions, you too can earn life-changing income with CPA, just like this. From the desk of Flamingo and Liming Woo. Dear frustrated marketer. If you're reading this because you're not happy with the amount of money you're making online and you're ready to do whatever it takes to start driving $100+ per day into your bank account, then I'd like to congratulate you, you've landed on the correct page. In just a few minutes, we're going to explain how there are tens of thousands of multi-million and multi-billion-dollar companies who are willing to pay honest marketers like you just for sending leads their way. It's called cost per action or CPA. And what makes CPA marketing the standout method of making money online is that a lead can be someone who signs up for a free product trial, free account at a website, or even if the lead enters into a free prize draw. That's right, your leads don't need to spend a dime and you still get paid. And what's even more impressive about CPA marketing is that you can pool life-changing income directly into your bank account. Without any complicated technical skills. Without SEO and ranking websites. Without investing thousands to create your product. Without having a list. Without having to sell anything at all. It's dead simple. Just send people to offers that genuinely interest them and boom, the numbers in your bank account grow on complete autopilot, even when you're sleeping, lying around a pool, working out at the gym, or watching your favorite TV show or sports team. And the really great thing is that you don't need years of experience online to master CPA. All you need to know is where to find the right people and how to entice them to click your unique link, and we're handing you that information on a silver platter. If CPA is so simple, why isn't everyone doing it? The truth is most marketers simply don't know the winning formula. I'm 100% serious. Think about it. The majority of marketers are trying to crack affiliate marketing or product creation where they have to sell something to get paid. With CPA, you get paid simply by sending a visitor to a site and they enter their email address. You don't need to be a rocket scientist to realize that it's easier to get someone to part with an email address than cold hard cash. And that's why the marketers who understand the winning formula choose CPA over affiliate marketing, product creation and email marketing every time. Because it enables us to make cold hard cash just like this, almost effortlessly. Introducing CPA $100 per day Formula 2.0. Compared with our previous 1.0 version, CPA $100 per day Formula 2.0 is a step-by-step video series guide that teaches you exactly how you can make $100+ profit per day promoting CPA offers. This method is quite scalable and newbie-friendly, which means you can make money with this even if you're a complete newbie who has never made a dime online before. Inside the system you will learn exactly how CPA works, including the meaning of buzzwords such as vertical, E.P.C. incentive offers and many more. The exact steps to take to get accepted by any CPA network, regardless of our knowledge, experience or geographical location. The CPA networks that pay on time, every time, and those that don't. How to select unsaturated, red-hot offers in proven niches. The exact signals to look for when identifying a lead generation page that is guaranteed to convert visitors into leads. How we are able to achieve at least a 200% ROI for every dime we spend on drive traffic and how you can do the same. Scaling your earnings from $100 to $200 to $500 and beyond. Automating the whole process, so you make money while you sleep. And much more. In short, CPA $100 per day Formula 2.0 is the holy grail of CPA marketing, and if you thought our best-selling CPA $100 per day Formula 1.0 was good, you're going to be absolutely blown away by 2.0. Still at the fence? If you want to join the army of underground marketers who make hundreds or even thousands of dollars per day without spending hours grafting, begging for partners, spamming or selling their soul, CPA is the method for you. You see, it's the CPA marketers who drive around in the Ferrari or Lamborghini in the middle of the day wearing pajamas, the guys who always had you thinking, I wonder what they do to make their money. And now you have the chance to join them. The formula that I'm offering you isn't something you can just stumble upon or work out for yourself. This is the results of countless hours of blood, sweat, and tears. We've tested, tweaked, retested, retweaked, and re-retested to discover the proven to convert formula that we're offering you on a silver platter. And all we're asking for you is a small donation and a promise that you're going to take action on what you learn, just so we know you're serious. But act fast, because this offer is extremely time sensitive. It's time to enjoy a better life. Right now you have two choices. You can keep reading pages like this, have a desire to make money with CPA, but choose to ignore this offer and try to make it on your own, and you will be making money on those smart automatic CPA money machines. Or you can hit the buy now button and receive instant access to the CPA $100 per day Formula 2.0 that is proven to turn even the most inexperienced marketers into CPA success stories almost overnight. Successful CPA marketers who can work from anywhere in the world of their choosing, select their own working hours, and make money while they sleep. You know, the life that you've always dreamed of. But be prepared, if you choose the first option, there's a strong chance that you'll continue to get the same results that you're getting right now, the same results that have caused you to read this page in the first place. Or, even worse, this time next year you'll be reading another page like this with less money in the bank, more debt, even more fed up of lousy day job, wishing you'd purchased CPA $100 per day Formula 2.0 when you had the chance. The truth is, this is the life-changing opportunity that you've been looking for. You've seen the results that we've had with this method, and you've seen what other marketers have had to say about the course. The only thing that is keeping you from $100 plus days access to this information and promising yourself, I'm going to take action. With that in mind, we could charge hundreds of dollars for this information. But we love helping people, and we know there's more than enough room for all of us to succeed in this industry. So we're not going to charge you hundreds of dollars. Not even $100. Not even $50. Not even $27. All we're looking for is a small donation, so we know you're serious about putting this life-changing information in action. So if you act today, you can pick up this limited time offer for a ridiculously low one-time fee of just. Still not convinced? We're throwing in the following bonuses. Epic CPA Alchemy, $197 value. Finally cracked, learn the exact CPA formula that earns you effortless $1,257 per day, tapping into a 3 billion% traffic source. This is an in-depth guide, shows how to set up profitable commission machines with laser-targeted penny clicks to achieve maximum return on investment. For a limited time, we're also throwing in the entire Epic CPA Alchemy special mind map at no extra cost. CPA Split Testing Pro, $197 value. As a professional CPA marketer, you need to be competent of handling a tracker as well as conduct splitting testing. This is a great guide that solves all your problems as a newbie testing your parameters and configurations. Arbitrage Funnel Profits, $197 value. Unique copy and paste system teaches you how to go from $0 to $21,684 in just 30 days. System floods your list with new signups and your bank account with cold hard cash. We may shut the doors soon to keep the quality of training high for everyone. Which means the doors could close at any moment. CPA $100 per day Formula 1.0, $97 value. Our best-selling version 1.0 of CPA $100 per day formula helped hundreds of marketers to make their first ever CPA commission. This JVZoo product of day was widely regarded as the best CPA marketing product released in 2017, and you'll get it free with 2.0 if you purchase today. Put your hands in us with our 60 days money-back guarantee. We were not just born as successful CPA marketers, and in fact, we've been in the exact position that you're in right now, searching for a genuine make money online course to help you achieve your goals. We know that there are a lot of products out there that are untried, untested, and nothing more than just theory. We also know that this makes you skeptical about every make money product that is released. That is why we offer a no question asked 60-day guarantee. The fact is, We know our course is one of the few genuine CPA courses out there, and that's why if you purchase the course, take action and follow our instructions and fail to turn a profit, we will not only refund you but also send you extra bonuses what you paid for it. We know this system delivers results. The risk is all ours. The clock is ticking. If you've seen our previous product releases, you'll know that we like to keep our products exclusive and limited to just a small group of serious marketers. And that's why this offer is time sensitive. When the timer strikes 0, this price doubles and may never be reopened. If you're serious about making life-changing money with CPA, hit the buy button below before it's too late. To a successful CPA marketing career. P.S. Ask yourself, when we offer a triple your money guarantee to all action takers, if this method wasn't guaranteed to work, we can afford to offer this groundbreaking guarantee because we know this course delivers results. If you're on the fence because you've been burnt before, you have absolutely no risk with this no-brainer guarantee. P.P.S. If you don't press the buy button below, where will you go from here? What will you change to start making the money online that you dream of? How will you be able to finally quit your job or make money while you're sitting around a pool? If you've read this page and don't take action, you're just going to keep dreaming. Click the buy button below and finally decide that it's time for things to change. Check link in description.